Welcome to my vlog. We have another adventure. Today I want to show you Hatton area in Sri Lanka. View of lake, the road, everything was super beautiful and amazing. The only problem was weather and I was on the motorbike. So come with me to see what happened. We ride more than 1 hour to reach the place we wanted to visit. And today we want to go and explore Maskeliya in Hatton area. Come with me. Rain again surprised me. Every time we going nature recently in Sri Lanka is rainy. We spent more than hours in this area, but rain didn't stop and it get worse. It's rainy and very foggy. Hardly can see the lake. Yeah, here the view. And now we are here and it's like in the rain, waiting to rain a bit stop and go to next viewpoint. And yeah, then go back because we'll get dark and it's by the way rainy. No other option. We went for second view on the rain. Wow, such an amazing view of waterfall here. It's really nice. I wish wasn't rainy. We have a motorbike. I don't know how we should go back. It's difficult. It's still raining. Drink tea to get warm in this weather. The rain is not going to stop. We're stuck here. Oh, all wet. Oh my god. All wet. Well, I'm here. I should tell you I alive and I come back from that crazy adventure, and from there I couldn't record anything because we really stuck in the rain and no way to do anything, and we were on the bike. I try even get a lift to go with other people till somewhere, but people were just from that village and they're not going out of village, so not even bus. That area was, very like a village side, and the bus was already left, and it was getting dark and evening, and no choice. So we continue to go back by bike, and was like a 1 hour's ride, but because of rain and the route, it took more than hours. Like it was like 2 hours, and it's not about to finish. I was so tired, so wet. My finger feel numb. I couldn't because that area is kind of cold in Sri Lanka, and I couldn't feel my finger. Oh, was really crazy adventure yesterday, but was such a beautiful place. If you like to see more videos from my travel, and if this video was useful for you, please like it, subscribe it, and suggest it to your friends. Thank you for watching.